Okay, so on the choice board under reading, we have the snap word hunt. And it says, read a book and tally the times you find this week's snap words. For this week's snap words, you can go to our P17 class website, and under week 1, March 18th to 20th, here are this week's snap words: how, if, jump, look, man. So I wrote those down on my whiteboard, and you could also put them on a paper, a chalkboard, wherever. Then you're going to want to grab any book. This works really well for dessert books or bigger books because there's more words, so there's a better chance that we're going to find our snap words in there. So I'm going to either read this book to myself and look for the snap words, or if it's a really tricky book, I can just look for the snap words. So I'm looking for how, if, jump, look, and man. If. So then I'm going to put a tally next to if. Just like that. How, if, jump, look, man. How, if, jump, look, man. There's a snap word on the end of a bigger word. So I add a tally. Okay, and we go like that through the whole book until we're finished, and then we can count up all the tallies that we have. 5, 2, 2. The word if was in the book the most. Jump and man were equal. Now, you can really use any snap words that you want with any book. You don't have to use the ones from this week. It's up to you.